Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from the farm.
Eh.
Yes. Do I know you?
No, my name is Sakina.
Uh-huh.
What is your name?
I'm called Dasana.
Dasana. Yeah, I like you.
Thank you.
Eh, is that all? So what do you say?
Do I see? Can I help you or something?
Okay, so where is your house?
My house is just behind here.
Okay, so where will I see you again?
Maybe later. As you can see, I'm just from the farm and I'm very tired. I need to get some certain things fixed inside. So I'll see you later.
Hey, you see me later, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Am I not beautiful? Dasana.
You are nice.
Hey.
You are nice. You are very nice. But yeah. Bye-bye.
What is it?
My leg.
What is it?
Snake.
Snake?
Snake. Oh, my leg.
Be still.
What are you doing?
Be still. Please, be still. I have to suck out the poison before it spreads out. Please. Please try to sit down. Slowly. Please. Slowly. How is it now? Please try to stand up. Try to stand up. Try to stand up. Let's not forget. I want you to accompany me to a recess place.
To do what?
I want to give her these tubers of yam.
But you, Pa, anytime you harvest your tubers of yam, all you think about is Borisa and her family.
Look, what is your problem?
Can't you say...
Look, listen. Are you accompanying me or not? Tell me.
No, what? I'm only advising you.
Are you accompanying me or not?
Me, what I'm saying was, you could have sell the yam and
I don't
save
want
the
your
money.
advice. Let's go. You are going. Let's go.
Like you talk too much. Let me tell you something. I don't even know why.
Why didn't you see me? Oh, you're not dodging.
Not dodging. Not dodging. I didn't actually see you. I'm around with my friend. Right.
So, have you thought about what I told you?
So what did you tell me?
I told you I like you.
Look, I told you the first time. The other day you met me. I told you that I'm not interested. Or didn't you get me? I'm not interested.
Oh no. You have to be interested now. What is it? See what that I have. See, these things. Haven't you seen them? Just look around the whole village. Will you see this type of things? Just look around the whole village. Have you seen it in this village? This type of things.
I told you that I'm not interested. You have them. Fine. Interested. I don't want to be that. So I suggest I just attend so that maybe I'll see you later. Eh? You. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dasana.
Bye-bye.
Dasana, you have to love me, oh. Dasana. Dasana.
Iman, what took you so long? But why are you wearing a sad face?
Oh, you don't know why I'm wearing a sad face. It's because of you.
What have I done?
Oh, what did you do wrong? See, you see your friend Dasana, eh? When he harvests, my friend Borisa and her family, they don't like anything, no. Yam, rice, what? Food stuff, everything. And you are here every day. That's all you know.
But I've been saving my farm produce to come and marry you.
Eh? Oh, okay. You are saving to come and marry me. So let me ask you a question. If I don't feed, how can I wait on you alive, eh? You expect me to starve and wait for you, or what? Eh? You stand there, don't start bringing food stuff and other things. I will go and find someone who can do that.
Has it gotten to that?
Oh, it's more than that.
Iman!
What?
Iman!
Hey! Come here. Are you the one we're waiting for?
Yes, I have a job for you.
What kind of job?
See, there is a girl called Borisa. I want you to rape her and beat her mercilessly.
Afternoon, my sons. How are you?
Fine.
Borisa, give them seats. Okay.
Oh, we'll see to you. We just came to give this things out and get back. We are just from the farm.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, my son.
Welcome.
Thank you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me take them.
So that I'll see them.
You're welcome.
Hey. And what do you say about my proposal?
Your proposal? I'm still thinking about it.
How long are you going to think about this one?
Give me some time.
Some time. Okay. I will give you next tomorrow.
Okay, next tomorrow.
Okay. I'll be expecting.
Okay. Thank you very much for the stuff.
Bye-bye.
You went to the farm this morning.
Yeah, I went.
Then where's the yam?
I told you that when I go, I'll collect them. But when I went, the yams weren't ready to be collected. So I decided to collect them tomorrow.
No, when you came, you didn't tell me anything. You should have told me that earlier.
I've just decided to collect them tomorrow.
Okay, now what are we having for lunch? Huh? Oh. Okay, go to Name's mother. Go to her and tell her that I said you should come to her for rice. So that I'll use that for lunch.
Ma, are you sure she'll be here?
She's there. She's in the house. I went there this morning. Hurry up and come.
I don't want to go there and she'll be like...
Hurry up and come. This boy.
Sana takes care of you.
I've been telling you to always be patient. See, these fingers are
You sit there and be talking of patience. Which patience? Okay. You are not in my shoes, that's fine. If you were in my shoes, you won't be talking of patience. How are you?
Nagging and nagging. What will nagging wouldn't solve any problem. But you know it.
You sleep on an empty stomach for 4 days and then that useless man who calls himself my man.
But he says he's saving the money for you to come. But he's saying he saved the money to come and marry.
Which money? So until then I should starve to death.
Oh, but will you die?
I don't blame you. Why won't you say that? You marry someone.
Lucky he's not even spending the money on someone. See, he's saving to come and marry you.
I don't care, my sister. The money has to be spent on me. Food.
Hey.
Good afternoon. Bryce, how are you? I'm not here to sit. I just...
Are you sure?
Imam, I went to your house and your mother told me you were here.
And so?
Can I have a word with you?
Make it quick.
Bryce, I will see you later.
Patience, okay?
It's not anything. You see, ever since we met at the bush, I've never heard from you.
Look, I have told you, If you can't take care of me, I'll find another person, Until you do that, don't even bother,
Please, Iman, you know I love you.
But so until then I should starve or what? You don't love someone empty like that, I have to eat and survive, Or you think all this flesh is for nothing?
I'm sorry. I've changed. And I'm changing for the best.
You better, Until I see the change, I have told you I'm going to look for someone else.
I promise I will take very good care of you. Okay? Please forgive me.
Okay.
Am I forgiven?
Yes.
Don't worry. I want to go and see the sun.
Okay.
I'll come back and see you this evening. Okay?
I wonder whether she has passed this way.
Are you sure she even passed this road?
Because we've been sitting here for about 30 minutes now.
Oh.
We're waiting to see. To me, I believe she will pass this way.
I hope so.
For since that long time that we are waiting for her and then she's not coming.
Oh. Are you sure this girl even passed this road?
I hope so. I hope so. That is what I'm hoping.
Okay.
That is my hope.
Okay.
I think she's the one coming. Look at over there. I think she's the one coming.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you Borisa?
Yes, any problem? Leave me alone, leave me alone. Someone help me, leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Are you hurt?
Are you sure? But you, where from these boys?
I don't know them.
Huh?
I don't know them.
Sometimes these boys, I don't know. What was really the problem?
Yeah, I don't know.
Gafara.
Oh, Borisa, my daughter, why? Why are you crying? And why are you looking so dirty? What happened to you? What have you done to my daughter?
Ma, he's not the one. Some guys tried to rape me on my way home.
Where? How? Rape you? Oh, who are those hooligans? Where from they?
Honestly speaking, I've never seen them. I think they are from the nearby village.
Oh, are you sure? Oh, sorry. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Where should I put them?
Yes, please drop them here.
Okay.
Go and have your bath.
tired. Let me do it myself.
Yes.
Okay. Barrister, my daughter, come and sit down. I want to talk to you about something. I want to talk to you about the young man. The young man who have been coming here.
Oh, the son.
Yes.
He's just my friend.
Are you sure you're just friends? Because he has been bringing us food stuff. He even brought some bush meat the other time. You know I'm your mother, so tell me the truth.
Man, he said he likes me. I mean, I didn't give him any answer.
Anyway, he's a good person. He has been bringing us food, styles, and I think he loves you. He's a good person.
He likes me. Okay, man. If he says so.
Okay. That's just by the way. You go and set the fire so that I'll try and pin this out fasting with you.
Talking to you. Come here. Come.
What? Abba, what? What?
Me, what? Don't you have respect for your elders? Eh? I'm talking to you and you're asking me what? You don't respect your elders, eh? Come here. Hi.
Don't touch me again, oh. Me, I'm trying to respect. Don't touch me again.
You are trying to respect me. And that is why I like you. Because I know you respect a lot. See, me, I like you. I like you very much. I want the two of us, come close. You come close to me, and we'll tango.
Me?
Yes.
I swear.
I
don't even want you by me. Me.
Aye.
See, let me tell you something. Me, I don't want you.
You don't want me?
I don't want you. See.
Why?
You drink. 2, you don't even go to the bush for meat. Me, I don't want you. I swear I don't want you.
I drink. So you don't want to feel the aroma of my
want.
mouth.
Let me tell you something. You see the fine boys in the village? Do you know how many boys are chasing me? You don't know.
Boys chasing you?
No,
somebody like
Boys
you.
chasing you, run away from them. When they are chasing you, run from them and come
I
to
will
me.
grab them. Because I want them. And I don't want you.
You want them?
Hey, I want them.
I am doing you a favor by telling you to come close to me. Feel the aroma of my mouth. You are here telling me you want them. They are chasing you. You won't run from them. You are grabbing them. You are grabbing them. Come and grab somebody like me.
Me.
And leave those useless boys you are seeing. Eh?
See, one of the boys told me that he's going to give me bushmeat today.
Hey! Bushmeat!
So I don't have time to waste with
Bushmeat!
you.
Look, I am standing here. If you want elephant, I can get elephant for you. If you want the egg, I can get it for you. Why, my friend? Hey!
Why? I know you. You are lying. You are lazy. All what you know today is like drink.
Me?
It's only
Me?
drink.
Drink.
See.
I only drink because I want to look fresh.
Okay. See.
For you.
See. One, I know you don't have anything serious to talk me. You don't have anything serious to say to me, oh.
Hi.
So I'm just going to gather my things and go home. My mother is waiting for me. And this evening I'm going to collect my bushmeat from a fine boy, not somebody like you.
Me, I don't have anything to say to you. So what I'm telling you is not. It's nothing. You are even pushing me.
Hey, why won't I push you?
You pushed me. Go. Go and follow fine boys.
Me.
You soon come back to me. Idiot.
This girl a lesson in this village. What do you have to do with Sakina?
Who is Sakina?
You don't know Sakina.
I don't know Sakina. Who is Sakina? Please tell me.
That busybody roaming all around the village, you don't know her.
Oh, that one. I don't really have anything doing with her.
You have something to do with her.
That one, she's been pestering me here and there, telling me she loves me, this. But I actually haven't given her any attention.
And she came around warning me. She came and told me to stay away from you.
I don't know what she's up to, please. But you know very well that you are the one that I love so much. Why are you disturbing yourself with her bother? Huh? I love you so much. You are the one who lightens my day. You know.
If you see her, don't mind her. Oh. When you see her, don't mind her. Just pass.
Believe me when I say I don't have anything doing with her. I only have you and I have you here.
You better not have anything to do with her.
You know now. Give me a smile, please.
Don't mind her.
Don't mind her too. Look, if she's disturbing you, don't just know very well that I have you here.
I love
you. I love you so much.
I love you.
You know you are the only one that I love so much. My Borisa, my love, the one who brings sunshine to me.
My.
It's who will have a beauty like you and be thinking about that riffraff called, what's her name again?
Sakina.
Don't smile. I don't even know. It's now that I just got to know her name. Yeah, but you know what? I'm on an errand. My mom sent me to that woman around the village square.
So soon you are leaving?
No, we are going to see. I will see you this very night.
Tonight? Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Tonight I will come around.
All right.
Don't keep me waiting.
Don't worry. You know, I'll be waiting. Okay. I'll be waiting. Take care of yourself.
Okay. Bye bye.
Titi. Thank you. Where are your mothers?
Baba, my mother has gone to the market, but my Dawana, I don't know where she is.
So they have left the cooking to you alone and left for the market?
Yes,
fine. Get some water for me in the bathroom. I will attend the village square meeting tonight. Be in a haste.
Barrister, please bring some water for our visitor. Okay. Hey, so how are things going?
You know the rain fell as this.
Eh?
How was the farm this year? Thank you, my wife to be.
Please, to what do we owe this visit?
Yeah, I've just come to remind you of your late husband's promise. He betrothed your daughter to become my future wife. before he passed away.
Oh, I see. But you know my husband is no more. And I'm now in charge of her. And she also told me she has someone she wants to get married to. And I thought you knew about it, so now it's a strange thing you are telling me altogether.
Look, woman, lest you forget, your late husband fulfilled that promise before he passed away. And who are you to change that?
Okay. Les, you also need to be reminded that she's a fully grown woman and she has her right to make her decisions, and I need to respect that. So to cut things short, if you are saying she was betrothed to you, then she will have to come and then confirm it, whether to get married to you or to get married to the man she wants to get married to.
Then do that.
Okay. Barisa! Ma! Please, come around.
Oh, welcome, my future wife.
Barisa. Mbafu saying since your father betrothed you to him to get married to. And I already told him everything, but he insists he find out from you. So please tell him what's going on.
Me, I have someone I want to get married to. But Mbafu saying is old enough to be my father. I don't want him.
Please, did you hear her? I told you.
Look, woman, I will not take kindly to this insult. How can you allow your daughter to stand in front of you to use such words on me?
Mbafu said no one is insulting you. She hasn't insulted you. And she didn't even say anything insulting to you. So what's all this marriage and betrothed thing about?
So
where is it coming from?
I want to tell you, if anything befalls on you, don't begrudge me.
Oh, please. You can't come to my house and threaten me.
A word to the wise is enough.
Oh, please. What is that? How can you come to my house and start threatening me? Can you imagine this old man? You get married to your many wives, say you can't even take care of them, and you've come to get married to my daughter again. Me, this small girl. Oh, want to get married. He's lying. He's lying. He can't do that.
Huh? Sule, do you know what? Love is sweet. Sweeter than honey. Sweeter than banana. Sweeter than what again? Sugar cane. Sugar cane. And sweeter than what again? In fact, everything. Anything you can think is sweet on earth. Love is sweeter than that. I'm just from Boris's place. This girl, I don't know. In fact, what about Iman?
That one.
You are saying that one. Iman, and you are saying that one. The one that you told me.
Look, I'm even considering changing the girl.
Why?
She's too demanding.
Demanding? Demanding what from you? You, can you?
Man. She complains of anything I do.
If you don't give her, why won't she complain?
It's too much, my friend. It's too much.
Let me tell you one thing. I'm a friend and a brother to you. Let me give you an advice. If you don't rape sow, you won't rape. As we are family, if you don't go and sow, you won't rape one day. So I beg you, sow and then rape one day. Can't you see what I'm doing to Borisa and her family? And when I'm doing that, you'll be there saying I should sell and save. Save for what?
I'm saving so that I can come and marry her.
How can you marry a girl who doesn't agree to?
And that is what she doesn't understand, like the way you don't understand me.
How? Look, my friend, let me tell you one thing. What are you going to do when you are saving your farm produce? What are you going to do?
She mentioned that.
Do that and you will see that she will start to appreciate you, love you, and in fact, even agree to marry you.
Ooh.
You understand?
Oh, I didn't.
Look,
she mentioned that the other day.
Yombe, Pasara Yombe, Nachimba Yombe.
I always tell you that you have to sow before you reap. Aha. Azundo. The career of news. In fact, the latest news.
He's Yande High.
The career of news.
Hi, you are praising me.
Yes, I'm praising you.
You are praising me.
I'm praising you because you deserve it.
Thank you. I deserve it. What have I done for you and you are praising me? Hey!
You are my friend and you know it. What is news? What is news?
What is news?
Yes.
I am your friend and you want the
best
latest
friend.
news.
The latest. in this community.
Latest news.
Latest news.
Anyway, because I like you,
Okay.
I will give you news.
Tell me.
I don't give news like that, but because I like you.
Look, you are my friend. You know,
I know.
it.
I'm your friend.
Uh-huh.
Because I like you, that is why I want
And
to
I
give
love
you
you
the
if you
news.
like me.
Listen to me very carefully.
I'm listening. I'm all ears.
If you don't stand up and fight for your right, you will lose what is important to you.
And what is it?
You are here tangling with this your friend. Always we are moving together. And somebody is trying to take your girlfriend away from you.
Who is that?
Who is that? You don't even know. No wonder you said I should give you the news. Hey!
Tell me.
Dasana, how can you be in this village without knowing anything? Did you come to this village
Please
yesterday?
tell me, who is trying to take my...
Who is trying to take your girlfriend? Hey! So you don't know Mbefsheni?
I don't know. I don't know.
That man with tummy like drum. That man, his wife, work to feed him. His daughter, Maltiti or whatever, she's as malnourished as something. I tried friending this girl refused. I don't even want her. I want to manage her because she's not my type. She's not my type. I am telling you, that man is an evil man. Everybody knows him in this village. And you are here, sitting down talking.
You just told me.
I am telling you.
What? Thank you very much.
Thank you for thanking me.
I thank you very much.
Yes, thank you for thanking me.
I will bring some tubers of yam to your place.
Please don't bring tubers of yam. I don't need tuber. I want pito. Get me some gallon of pito and I'll be happy with that.
I'm bringing it.
I know you can do it.
I will bring it.
I know, that is why I like you.
Expect it this very evening.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Yombe, Yombe. Pasara Yombe.
The owner of news.
Nakimba
Career
Yombe.
of news.
Yombe.
May your
Yombe.
ancestors continue to bless you.
Pasara Yombe. Bless you too.
The most wicked man.
Yombe.
Career of news.
Yombe.
I'm so happy.
Yombe, be happy, my brother.
May our gods
Yombe.
bless you and continue to bless you.
Bless you too. Hey, Yombe.
Thank you. Did you
Yombe.
the son?
Yombe. Yombe.
I least
Yombe.
expected it.
Pasara Yombe.
Least expected it.
I don't know whether...
Yeah, this man. Why is he doing this way?
Look, let me get to your house. I would have to. Let me get to your house.
Let's go.
Get up. How are you?
Hey! Who am I seeing? Master lives after them. But in your case, the evil that you do will surely follow you to your grave because you are very wicked. You are wicked. I am here trying to even win your daughter and she's also there bluffing, thinking she's who. I don't give a shit. I will tell you if you want to go and die. Go and die. Go and die. I've said it. Nobody can catch me because that is my business. Go home and take care of your own business. That is your wife and children. I've said it and nobody can catch me. Because me, when I see the truth, I say it. People don't take me serious. Go. Go.
This can never happen. All the great men are people.
Nothing, please. Nothing is going to happen. You let's
Who did this? Show them. Show whosoever did this. They are only kids. They don't know. Don't be angry with them. I will kill if I will to appease you. Abesebek kemanya lemak, purasejak kemanya lemak, betul-betul mentrembia, coba babi cici putih. Abesebek kemanya lemak, purasejak kemanya lemak, betul-betul mentrembia, coba babi cici putih.
Gafara. Yes. Gafara.
You are welcome. Hey. Good evening.
Fine evening. Woman, I've come to warn you to keep your he-goat from my future wife.
committed a sacrilege. She has committed an abomination which can only be atoned by death. She is given 3 market days to present herself to the shrine for a sacrifice. You are warned. The gods has spoken. I said you are warned. The gods has spoken.
My son killed me! This girl! What has this girl done this time? Oh, God! My son killed me! Oh! She have killed me! I don't deserve this! Oh!
Stand here, let me talk to you. I have seen you. Look at you. Where are you going to? Eh? Where to?
Can't you see I'm holding a garawa?
You are holding garawa. So what? You. I told you I love you and you are here misbehaving. Eh? You are here misbehaving.
Shut up.
I should shut up.
In fact, shut up. See.
Me?
I swear, I don't love you. See, the other time I told me I don't love you. I don't love you. I will never love you.
Hey!
Next time you see me, you call me again. I'll call my father.
You call your father? Don't call your father. Go and call the king. Who is your father? That useless one. Look, let me tell you something if you don't know. There's no young man who will love you in this village than me. I am telling you, I am the best choice for you. Because they don't like slim things. They like big things. And you are slim. Eh?
Slim.
You slim. Can't you see your waist? Your waist is very tiny. Nobody will love you. I am the only person who can love you because me, I am fat. Look at my waist, very broad. Like a wood. Stand there. Where are you going to? You look like a kulukuli. I am trying to maintain you. You are here stopping shit. No boy will love you in this village apart from me. I am the best choice for you. Don't you like this one? Come, I'll give you some. You are pushing me.
You are a foolish man.
Why would I be a foolish man? Because I am telling you the truth. Don't tell your father. Go and tell your auntie. Go and tell your auntie. Come and I'll inflate you. Eh? You are very tiny. You go and tell your father. Don't tell your father. Go and tell your auntie. Nonsense. You are very tiny. Come and I'll inflate you. You are here wasting time, wasting your own energy. Nonsense. Go and follow young boys, slim things. What will you get from them? They don't have anything. Their waists are very tiny. Look at me. Look at my tummy self. You can feel it. It's bouncing. Come and I would love you. Look at my waist. It's thick like wood. I have thick water inside and I can drop some for you to become plumbing. Idiot. You are going to tell your father. Let me tell you, this is a chisel warning. If you don't accept to my proposal, I'll wound you. I am trying to inflate you and you are here fooling. Look, it's a warning I am giving to you. The next time you try this, you will see what I'll do to you. I told you I love you. Love me. Love me. And we will stop this thing you are doing. You say you go and tell your father. Go and tell your auntie. This is what you've been doing every day. I meet you, I tell you I love you, and you stand there, you are insulting me with your tiny waist. Your legs are thin like kulukuli. You don't know that one. See my leg.
My love. You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Can we go to our favorite place?
Yes, for you. That's all you think about all the time.
You know, after our last quarter at the forest, I have not You know, I miss you.
Okay. My father.
Mama, you did well that day. The day Mr. Mbafushini came to the house. I don't mind himself, that man. Do you know the daughter? I don't know her. One big girl, my age mate, she's called Mountain, you don't know her. The daughter is of my age and he wants to marry her. That man is highly impossible. I can't believe he actually came here asking for your hand in marriage. Is it true, ma'am? Is it true that my father betrayed me? He's lying. Your father never mentioned it to me before dying. And did you hear what he said? We shall see. Oh, you see, can't do anything. Don't mind himself.
Woman! You were born with 3 market days to present your daughter at the shrine. 2 market days has gone. The gods are angry. Obey the gods or you face the consequences of their wrath. Once again, you have been warned.
Oh, God, you say you kill me. Have you seen what you caused? But all I've done is to be a good mother to you. Look at what you brought to the house. What have I done to you? You want to kill me. You want to kill me. Oh, God. You want to kill me. What is this? Hey? What is this? I'm just a poor widow. What is this? I'm sorry.
My friend Boris and her boyfriend Asana's case, it worries me. Oh.
It's serious, oh. Unless you were there the other day. Her mother was just crying. I was the only one there consoling her.
Hey, I pity that woman. I can just imagine the way she's feeling. Hey, but you, Kura, let me ask you a question. Imagine our places were traded today, no? And you had to sacrifice yourself for me. Would you have done it?
But the situation hasn't worked.
Hey, that is not what I'm asking. I'm asking you a simple question. If we were in that situation, would you have sacrificed yourself?
Why are you speaking this way? Why are you speaking this way?
Oh.
Or you had wished for that instant.
Oh, I see. Would you have sacrificed yourself for me? Huh? See, you are stingy. You don't know how to take care of me. And the worst of it all is you don't even know how to love me. So what is your use at the end of the day? Huh?
This one is not about us. It's about our friends. Let's see how we are going to sort things and help them out. Okay? Are you angry?
That is all you know. So I see. Tell me something. So since we started dating until now, what has been your use? Tell me. What has been your use? What have you done for me? Tell me.
You've been crying since this thing started. And I've been telling you not to be crying. Why? Don't you believe me when I say nothing is going to happen to you?
The last time the fetish came to us yesterday, he came again to warn us as level 1 market day. What are we going to do now?
Listen. I have thought of something. I'm going to see some of the elders so that together we'll go to the shrine. So that we'll find a way of sacrificing to appease their gods. I know very well that they wouldn't harm you.
You think that will work?
They wouldn't harm you. We didn't do it intentionally.
You think it's so?
No, everything is going to be alright.
Yeah, I don't want to die. You won't
die. When I told you that you are not going to die, you are not going to die. All of us, we are their grandsons and granddaughters. And when I say this, how will a grandfather kill the granddaughter or the grandson? Just You won't die. You are not going to die. Not as long as I'm alive. Oh? Stop crying. Stop
crying.
Look, I don't want to see any tears. On your cheeks. Smile now. Smile. Smile again.
Love so strange, so unfolding.
Good evening, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine.
How is your mother?
She's doing well.
Hey.
Your friend is inside. Do you want to see him?
No. I came to see you.
I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. There's something I wanted to discuss with you.
What is it? I hope you guys are not quarreling.
It's far beyond that.
You are making me tense, oh my son. What is it?
I don't know how to say this to you.
Talk to me, my son. You are making me feel uneasy here. What is it? Did something happen to your mother?
No. It's about your son.
What about him?
Are you aware he's going to sacrifice himself?
Sacrifice? Himself?
Yes. He's going to sacrifice himself. Because of Borisa.
Bori who? Borisa?
Borisa.
Hey! I hope you are not serious, oh my son. Hey! 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 Wait! Hey! This boy will kill me. Hey! That's Anna who killed me. Wait.
Ma, what is it?
That's Anna.
What is it?
I beg you, please, I beg you.
What is it? Please tell me. Sit.
You are my only hope.
What is it? Huh? What is it? Huh?
After your father is dead, you are my only company. Please, I beg you.
What is it?
Don't sacrifice yourself. She's not worth your life, please.
Sit. It's not how you think it is. Sit, let me tell you. Please be patient, please.
Hey!
Oh.
I want to die.
Please, Mama, sit and let me tell you. Sit.
Hey!
Don't
I beg you.
Sit. Stop crying. Huh? You know you are tormenting me. If I see you crying this way, you just kill me like that. Mama, be patient. Let me tell you what's up. You see, it isn't that. Listen first, though. This you are doing, you are just going to kill yourself.
I'm listening.
I beg you. It is not the way you think. I actually took her to the shrine, and in the process, we broke the pot. Listen, please stop crying. And the consequence for that is to pay with my life. I took her to the shrine.
But you didn't break it. Where the one who broke it? Yeah?
I took her to the shrine.
It doesn't matter.
Please.
It's not worth that.
Mama, look.
Hey.
Look, Mama, please. It's not.
I beg you.
Please, Mama.
You are my only hope, my son. Please. I beg you. Please.
Please.
You have come to present yourself. Apia peto. Kotoku bote. Kalantanga mekulun chongi. Apia peto. Kotoku bote. Kalantanga mekulun chongi. Good. Now, you are done. Good. Now, the next 3 days, you present yourself at the market square. Go! Yes.
Gods of our land, I come before you as I was created.
God is in control, okay? Please. Hey. Oh God. It's painful. No. But please. Hey. Hey. Dasana. Please. Hey. Dasana. Dasana. Don't worry. Okay. Hey. Don't worry. Hey. Dasana. God is in control, okay? God is in control. Please, take heart. Take heart. Hey. Dasana. It's the only friend I have. Hey. Let's Oh God. Dasana. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please. Take heart. Okay. Dasana. Please. Hey. Take care of me. Don't worry. I am there for you, okay? Hey. I'm there for you. Hey, take care of you, okay? Ooh. Hey.
Not by power, not by man. With God, it shall cover everything. Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you want. Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you like.
Quiet! Quiet! Today is the and this is to show the signal and lesson to all of you in this community. Yes! He's going to be sacrificed to the gods. No man, do you have anything to say before your death? Come on,
Hey, my good friend. Hey, Dasana. Hey, I will not cry. I will cry. I will cry. Because I know you are innocent. Hey, these elders of our village connived to finish you. Don't worry, my brother. Don't worry. I am always by your side. Even as you are going, I will still be by your side. Yes, I will be by your side. Hey, hey, hey.
Shut up! Hey. Who dare you challenge the boss? The great Papa Kirby. Who dare you?
Hey, do you have gods? This village, we don't have gods anymore. Because you are all fake. I don't fear any of you. With this injustice you are about to commit, I don't fear any of you. You are all fake. Hey, my good friend. Hey. Don't worry, my friend. I am by your side. Don't worry. I am by your side all the time. Even if you go, I will still be by your side.
Quiet! Now it's your turn to join your ancestors. Kemana lemak? Beras sebiak. Kemana lemak? Betul nemu, momentum biak. Coba bak, bercuci putih. Abang sebiak, kemana lemak? Beras sebiak, kemana lemak? Betul nemu, momentum biak. Coba bak, bercuci putih.
The gods of the land are angry. Stop the abomination you are about to commit. You have failed the gods as the mouthpiece of the gods, and you shall face the consequences.
You desire. So please tie the goats and the fowl behind here for me.
Thank you, my
The great Akribi. I bet the black man lama. Plus black man lama.
Forgive me.
Mama, save me!
I said it. This is an injustice. But they wouldn't listen. You see, you call yourself a chief priest. Look at your end. And look at this embassy. I told you, take care of your wife and your children. You say you want small girls. Look at how your life has ended miserably. Eh? You see? Hey, Dasana. Good luck. I know you're a good man. And I know you can take care of that girl very well. Do all your best and take care of her. This idiot. Hey!
Papa, Papa.
Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you want. Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you like.
Ooh. Hey. I'm all alone. Oh. God is there. Hey! Which God? God will take care of everything. Which God? Hey!
Ma.
Take care of
Ma. Ma.
Dasana! Hey! Is that you?
Ma.
What happened?
Dasana.
Dasana. Dasana. Hey, my son. My son, no.
Ma.
Hey, my son. My son.
Vanity is to vanity. You lied against the gods. Remember the evil. You sow waste what you surely reap. The gods are angry. Your selfish interest will not take you anywhere. Borisa and Dasana, blessed by the gods. The truth will be
Hearing someone scream. So, but when you hear action, you scream. Now, sometimes
that's the name of your answer. The sound, the
sound they bad my face.
It's okay.
Oh, you have shot me. Now I will die.
let's start the song. So you push you get around the where he is, where they are. You characters. Huh?
No, that's not.
No, right now we're picking behind the scenes.
They're going.
This 19.
They're going.
So that 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Action.
Woman! You were born to present your daughter at the market.
Say at the market square.
At the market square. Okay.
You were born to present your daughter to the market shrine. What is it?
I'm a market shrine. Make it perfect behind the scenes. You are one to present your daughter to the market shrine.
Okay.
Acapella.
You were born to present your daughter in 3 market days. Why?
Hey, Agrisco. Today you're taking the title from me.
Action.
The bulls are hungry.
Go!
Wait, get them to money.
Please take water. Agrisco, I beg you, take water.
Give water.
When you're very one for. Alright, silence.
Alright.
Action.
Hot.
So strange, so unfolding. That was just
yes.
Strange, so strange, so unfolding. It's always unfolding.
You know, you can't see.
It just came to my head, so I didn't want to forget.
Let's go. You've done well.
I hope you will keep it so that
That is
if
a
I
and then you keep the rap. But
How you feeling it? Tamale, this your man. Be flesh, biggest boss in the man.
What the first attention? One, what's it then?
B13, they're my boys. I look the boys, kinda hard. G unit, dose of 2 bunny.
When you now, one so the Miasa.
Pidorido, Azonto, Pipidorido, Azonto, Pidorido, Azonto, Pipidorido, Azonto. Move your body, Azonto. Why your body, Azonto. What me a wamo, Azonto. What me a wamo, Azonto. Pidorido, Azonto, Pipidorido, Azonto. Move your body, Azonto. Why your body, Azonto. What me a wamo, Azonto. What me a wamo, Azonto. What me a wamo. Hey, if you play this beat, I go dance like a ballon, 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 ballon. Hey, hey, if you play this beat, I go dance like a ballon, 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 ballon. If you play this beat, I go dance like a ballon, 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 ballon. Hey. One wooden car, wobbler, Wamia, one wooden car, wobbler, Jamia, Bambu Walla, Wamia, Bangwar Chantoni, Maya, Bangwar Lavri, Yanga, Bobia, Tikto, Dakana di Changa, Dead Body Dakana di Changa, Harlem Shake it, di Changa, Dumorin Yella, Asonto, Asonto, Asonto. Are you feeling it? Are you liking it? Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I bought a car, I told her, aha, didn't I ask some casa, yeah, you flesh on the mic, Gala, Pidorido, Azonto, Pipidorido, Azonto, Pidorido, Azonto, Pipidorido, Azonto, move your body, Azonto, why your body, Azonto, what me a wamo, Azonto, what me a wamo, Azonto, Pidorido, Azonto, Pipidorido, Azonto, move your body, Azonto, why your body, Azonto, what me a wamo, Azonto, what me a wamo, Azonto.
What the first attention? What you did to your mouth? Who am I to give me a boss? Then Chamo was a day, said they hiding for them about young. In those days, I see a for them.
Where are the clothes?
You are you are talking like you are also a character. Yeah? Bitch, you paid. It's all I got the same place. See this little nigga. Money anyway. Until
My mama make
flying. Nice ride.
my hair for me. Ingredients now. It's heavy. Let me.
That's not a dick. You see, when you leave the scene that way,
Hey, then wait at your waist and put the belt.
No.
Yes. Sweetheart, pose. I want it to hold it.
You don't bridge your waist like.
Oh, Sid, where's the phone?
Yeah, she's coming out with it.
I'm going to record something. See your opinion to the record. No, why not? Okay.